Hey, I'm Henry Tolbert, founder of Simple Systems Consulting. And if you're a pastor or church leader and you're struggling with declining attendance, disengaged congregation, outdated systems, and your technology is falling behind, I want you to know I understand your pain. I've been there and I know how overwhelming it can feel. And that's why I'm inviting you to a free in-person workshop called REChurch, Revision, Revitalize, Rebuild. It's going to be on Saturday, October 5th, 2024 at the Star Church here in Birmingham, Alabama. This workshop is all about practical solutions to real problems. It's not just theory, it's the things that we have learned after working with more than 300 churches. We're gonna deep dive into a couple of things to help you move forward. Number one, revision. We're gonna help you refresh your church's vision to really inspire and guide your congregation forward. We're gonna talk about revitalize. How do you build an empowering and empowered leadership team that can really carry your vision forward? Because sometimes we have a vision, but we don't have the team. We're gonna help you build it. And then we're gonna talk about rebuild. We're gonna give you strategies to reconnect with your community and really reintroduce yourself so that you can grow your influence and grow the attendance of your church. This is more than a workshop. It's a chance for you to really get a chance to network with some other leaders here in Birmingham, share your experience, but also develop a clear, actionable plan. Our goal is to help you and your church move 3 steps forward in this one day. So listen, you got the letter, you've got the invite. Inside that invite, I put a little card. That's an invite card where you can invite somebody else, another pastor, somebody else on your team. But I want to encourage you, register now for this free event. Get your team registered, get everybody around you registered. Come, let us pour into you, pour into your team as we help you move the church forward. We believe in the church, we believe in you. So let's start this journey together.